Hello and welcome to Office P.D.Q from JourneyTEAM. My name is Kevin Zollinger and I'm excited to welcome you to this first ever episode. PDQ is pretty dang quick, and we will offer a series of pretty dang quick ways that you can collaborate better using tools from Microsoft 365. You'll want to subscribe and get notifications so that you'll know when something has dropped. We'd also love to have you share this with other people that you work with. This is information, if it's going to make your life easier, will also make their life easier. This is a way for you to be a hero by taking a little pain out of the life of people that you work with. Today we're going to talk about meetings. Meetings are easy if it's somebody that works at the same company as you. You look at the calendar, you schedule it. If they're not really available when their calendar says they're available, that's a chance for you to give them a hard time about not keeping their calendar up to date. It's a win-win. If, on the other hand, you want to book a meeting with somebody that works for a company that's different than yours, you can't see their free busy time, and so it becomes a little more challenging. You suggest Monday, they're busy. They suggest Tuesday, you're busy. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. The emails can go on and on. It's not nearly as easy as it should be. Turns out there's a way that you can do that with one email, and that's what we're going to learn today. So let's look at an email. This is an email I'm going to send to myself, subject line, and then I've got this link in here that when the recipient clicks on will let them book time on my calendar, being able to see when I'm available and when I'm not. You'll also note that I've got book a meeting in my signature block. We're going to talk about how to do that as well. So let's send that, and then through the magic of demo, we'll look here, and there it is. If I click on that link, I'm going to get this tab. This tab has my picture and a custom background. To set that custom background, I'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. And because I sent a specific link, it's this 1 hour meeting, and here are all the days that I'm available. You'll notice that I'm not available on Saturday or Sunday, and that's because it can see my calendar. So let's choose Friday the 13th at 9 o'clock. Click Next. It's got my name, my email address. I can add a note if I so desire. Book. I have now booked a meeting. And if we go back here to Outlook, in a minute we'll see it show up saying that I have booked a meeting. So how did I set that up? If you go to outlook.office.com/bookwithme/me, you'll get your bookings page, and it'll walk you through a wizard the first time that you go through it. But you can see I can share that page, which would let anybody see everything that's in this public block. I can customize my background by clicking here and editing the banner image. I can have as many public booking opportunities as I want by clicking the plus button. We're not going to add one, so we'll go back. I've got 30 minutes already set up, and that's in my signature block. To put it in that signature block, we're going to use this copy link. And I also have this 1 hour meeting that's private, and only people that I sent that to can see that 1 hour meeting. And I copied this single-use link and put it in an email to do that. So that's how your booking page works. If you have a desire to have multiple people or have people pick from multiple options, you would set those up as public and share this page in your signature block. So let's go look at my signature block. File, options, email, actually it's just mail, and then signature. In my signature block, you can see right here, book a meeting. I type that in, I click the link icon, and I paste it in that link that I showed you earlier. And so now every time I send an email, I'm offering the recipient an opportunity to book 30 minutes on my calendar. You can do that as well, and I find it to be very useful as I work with people that work with companies that are not JourneyTEAM. We hope you've enjoyed this Office PDQ episode. As I said, there'll be more to come, so subscribe and turn on notifications. JourneyTEAM is a full-service Microsoft Gold partner, and you can find us on the web at JourneyTEAM.com. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.